Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Anthony. This is Aquascaping on the Fly Living Art Creations, and I've got an update for you. I made a blunder. I put out a little video, like a minute, where we were looking at Tree of Life, my favorite. Well, not my only favorite. And I thought my Christmas moss was on the move. No, someone told me it was hair algae. I can't believe it. I got so excited. I thought I was seeing Christmas moss, like physically trying to take over the rest of the tank, and I was so excited. No, it's hair algae. And there's something I've been doing that I read online. I saw some others talking about they do this and it helps their plants, where they start dosing their liquid fertilizer twice a week, but in half doses. And I've been doing that for like 2 weeks now. And apparently it's not working in my tank because my tank is getting overgrown by algae. So we're gonna like zoom in and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Now, of course, the Amino Shrimp and the, oh my God, I just had a brain fart. Ghost shrimp, oh my gosh, my ghost shrimp. I just got in from, oh my God, I'm still having a brain fart. I just got in from being on the road for 6 days. Well, in the air for 6 daese. Guatemala. I was in, Guadalajara. I was in Guadalajara. And it was Mexican Independence Day yesterday. So I just got in from there. This is the after effects of being a flight attendant when you're out for too many days. So let's zoom in and so you can see what I'm talking about. And then you guys can go on about your day. Okay, so I'll try to get out of the frame because there's so much reflection on this. Okay, in the very back corner right, you can see a strand of what looks like thread blowing in the water, moving in the water back there. That is hair algae, and what it's doing is it sends out these long strands until they get picked up by something else, and then it attaches itself to that. And then that's how it, multiplies inside your tank. You can also see, look at this. I've got algae on my rocks. So I will not be dosing like I have been dosing any longer. But let's do a little span for you. Remember, this is a tank that I had the Boost Aragon bloom. And I'm so happy with this. Now, the Amino Shrimp, they will eventually take care of all this. So I'm not going to worry about it, but I'm going to quit dosing like I've been dosing. But this gives you an idea of what really can happen. And my lighting is on half. And it is on a 12-hour day timer, just because this one doesn't have an 8-hour. It has a 6, and then it goes up to a 12. But you can see back there on the back side is where the hair grass has kind of attached itself to the Christmas moss, because it is a slightly darker color. But this gives you an idea of what can happen, and just gives you, this is just like a FYI out there for you guys, just to be careful that when you dose like that, this can be the byproduct of it. As a matter of fact, there's a stick right here in front that has no Christmas moss on it, but it has algae on it. So I'm going to stop feeding the pellet treats to my shrimp so that they will aggressively, take care of this. I'm going to do a partial water change today because it's time, and then maybe get in there. It says very difficult to get it out of your tank, and I can see where it would be, because if I stir it up, I don't want it moving to other places. So, but anyway, I wanted to show you guys this. I hope this helped. I hope it resonates with you, and that way you can avoid the pitfall that I just found myself in. So until the next video update, or you come visit me in the sky at work, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye. I'm trying to do a PSA and I'm trying to make it short and it's just not working. Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry for the interruption. You thought the video was over, but no, it's not. I want to do a public service announcement and I want to say a huge heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers, all my comments, all my likes for the videos. You guys humble me. And you have no idea what it means. My channel is new. It's not even getting sent out yet by their algorithm to its intended audience. It's going off to these bizarre places where there's no logical connection between an aquascaping and what they're sending me out. So here's my plea for you guys. I want this channel to explode online. I believe in my content. I believe that I have a voice for people that are like those of us that are sitting at home and want to engage in this, but maybe a little hesitant. That's why my videos are always a full-on tutorial, and I'm showing you the realism. I show you what has worked, what has failed, and I don't hold anything back. I don't even edit my videos anymore. When I mess up in a video, I just keep rolling because the realism seems to work for me. And I don't shy away from talking about how this hobby is therapeutic, how this hobby is spiritual. I don't hide my spirituality from you. I don't hide the fact that I am divinely guided, which is the reason why I'm sitting in my studio right now with all these aquariums around me. I was guided to do this, and I feel it's part of my calling is to get a message out about how joyous, how healing, how you, no matter what issues are going on in your life, and you guys know that have a tank, once you step home, I don't care how stressful your day has been, you can look at your tank and it's your zen immediately. You can work, you can watch it, you can fiddle with it. It's your pure enjoyment. The flip side is it's really expensive and it also sends your blood curdling sometimes when you've done something catastrophically wrong. So it has both ends of it. The yin and the yang. So I want us to be a resource out there. I want my channel to be a resource out there. That's why I try to film like I do, and I just don't hide everything. I show you everything and I talk about everything. So please consider, if you haven't already, to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and grow along with me and with all my other subscribers. And please share your thoughts. So until the next video update, this is Anthony, and I'll see you out there in the sky.